Do you know that there are people who can never get infected with HIV? Yes, there are people who are HIV resistant. 5 persons have been cured of HIV. When you hear about the cure of HIV, it is obvious you know how challenging it has been, given the fact that 42.3 million people have died of this deadly disease, whilst 39.9 million still live with HIV. In this video, we are going to talk about how these 5 people were cured of HIV, the method used, and also we are going to talk about the potential cure of HIV by eliminating HIV from infected persons' CD4 cells. Then again, we will look at why some people can never be infected with HIV, why they are HIV resistant. Stay tuned and watch this video as I tell you what CD4 cells are and why human immunovirus attack your CD4 cells. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, comment, and let's do this together. In the quest to find a cure for HIV, aside South African HIV cure trial, which shows positive, there are other methods that researchers have brought on board. 5 persons have been cured of HIV using this particular method. Before we talk about the method that was used to cure these 5 people, let's get to know what HIV is. HIV, which is human immunodeficiency virus. This is a virus that enters the body through vaginal and anal unprotected sex with an infected person. It can also spread through mother to child, through blood transfusion, or by using an infected person or unsanitized sharp object, such as needle, blade, and other sharp objects. HIV damages your immune system by attacking your CD4 cells. Let's get to know what CD4 cells are. So CD4 cells are a type of white blood cells that is crucial for defending your body against infections. It could be viral infections, bacterial infections, parasitic infections, and fungal infections. So you see how crucial your CD4 cells are? So when HIV attacks your CD4 cells, it weakens your immune system, prone you to a lot of diseases and infections. In the process of finding a cure over the years, antiretroviral drugs were developed. These are drugs that suppresses HIV replication or multiplication. These drugs help to control your viral load, preventing the virus from damaging your CD4 cells or your T helper cells, and also reducing the risk of transmission. Now, let's look at how these 5 people were cured of this deadly disease, HIV. The new discovered method used in curing these 5 people is also a method used on cancer patients. This is a method that is known to most of us, but not for HIV treatment. This method is called stem cell transplant. Let me hit on it again, stem cell transplant. I know whenever we mention stem cell transplant, what comes in mind is cancer patient. It is used to treat cancer patient. Fortunately, it has been discovered to be a best treatment for HIV. Apparently, these 5 patients underwent stem cell transplant for their blood cancer treatment. So after their blood cancer treatment, they were found to be cured of HIV as well. Let's see how safe this method is. Would there be any adjustment? Are they going to do more research into it to see how safe it is? Let's get to know this as we continue to watch this video. So after this new discovery, a further research was done. The researchers found out that their donors had HIV resistant mutation that deleted a protein called CCR5. This CCR5 is what HIV normally uses in entering the host cell. So if it is deleted, what it means is that there is no more a binding site for HIV to enter the host cell. This tells us that there are some particular people that are resistant to HIV. And these people are just 1% of the total world population. So what is in these people that makes them resistant to HIV? These people, which makes 1% of the world population, carries a specific genetic mutation. that makes them HIV resistant. Currently, stem cell transplant process is complicated and it comes with a lot of risks. Again, it is too risky to offer stem cell transplant as a treatment for HIV. This is from experts. The good news is that researchers are hopeful on working on stem cell transplant to make it more safer and conducive as a cure for HIV. Aside using stem cell transplant, scientists have demonstrated the potential of eliminating HIV from an infected person's cells by using CRISPR gene editing technologies. Let's get to know what CRISPR gene editing technologies are. So, CRISPR gene editing technology is a molecular scissors that allows scientists to precisely cut off the DNA of HIV from an infected person's cells. How effective is this CRISPR gene editing technology? So this gene editing technology has been used on 3 people successfully without any side effect. This is a great news for the entire globe and World Health Organization because we don't have to focus on one cure for HIV, but we have 3 different successful potential of positive cure for HIV. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, comment, and let's do this together. Until we meet again, stay safe,